Okay, let's get started with the swiping. And I'm going to be doing the swiping with a masonry trowel, which is kind of big. It's got a little bit of a point to it, but it's got a big, flat, wide surface. And all the tools that you swipe with, and this is that tool, should have this angled handle so that you can kind of easily glide across. Same thing with my other swiping tool, is this. Because you want to make sure that's there, otherwise you'll be just digging and dragging into the paint, and we don't want to do that. I want to thank Kaylene and Darren for allowing me to be on Kaylene, aka Bubbles' wonderful birthday bash collaboration, and I love you guys so much, and they are the kindest and most supportive people for so many fluid artists, myself, and so many others. And I love watching their swipes and their radial swipes and the beautiful swipes that they do on the turntables with different pigments. And so they're always very inspiring to watch. This was a fun one to do. My colors were mostly metallic colors. I didn't mix up any pigments for this, but I did almost every color was a metallic. Alrighty, I like these colors. Now we're going to start loading up my trowel. I love that it has a big, wide, kind of flat surface. And I'm trying out Manoli Motion's Cell Activator in Cosmic Black. I don't know if you know Manoli. If you don't, you should check his page out. Check out his YouTube channel. His channel is pretty cool. I like what he does. I like the swiping that he does, and he has some really cool large-scale swipes that he does, like, that are beautiful. A lot of them are rainbow, but anyway, very inspiring to watch. And so shout out to you, Manoli. But yeah, I enjoy watching his videos quite a bit, and you know, I find people here and there that I didn't know about, so but I've been watching him for a while and like his stuff, so check his stuff out. I'll leave a link to his page in my description box. But anyway, we're gonna try to do this. It's a little hot. I'm in my garage and I'm gonna move this inside to dry, but it's a scorcher, as I'm sure it is most places this past summer. But anyway, so I'm hoping this is going to be okay. We will see. But here we go. I kept this one swipe in real time so you could see how slowly and kind of how smoothly you have to glide the trowel over the paints so that you don't drag through the paint. kind of wanted to show that you can use the marble, and my marble really wasn't heavy enough for the paints that I had, so you can take your marble, if it's not the weight that you want, instead of rolling it around and tilting the canvas, you can just push it around, if you're careful, and create your design of where you want the marble to go. And it's actually easier for some people who don't trust themselves to tilt the marble around. I really liked this white because it created some beautiful and really huge cells, some unusual cell shapes, and some of them even resemble eyeballs looking at you. You can kind of see that up there, like a blue eye kind of staring at you. But yeah, it's a really kind of fun technique to do, doing this on a large scale, such as this 20 by 20 gallery wrap canvas.
One of those lucid dreams. Oh yeah. Wait, you gotta tell me what you did. I saw the world turning in my mind. Oh, yesterday you pulled the rug under my feet. Still I'm trying to wake me up. What if I'm making it all up? You're bringing me higher and higher in every way. Yeah. And all of my doubts, I can feel them. Fading away. Oh, you're like a fantasy. I know this can't be real. I'm falling way down. All illusional.
Well, I want to wish Kaylene a very happy birthday, and up after me will be Creations by Tanya, and a playlist will be in my description box, and I'll see you again real soon.